Could I ask you something? Where are you from?
Jaz sem Francoz.
A ti si Francoz? A res?
Res.
Ampak govoriš pa slovensko?
Slabo.
Slabo? Kako ti je pa ime?
Sebastien.
Sebastien. Iz kje pa prihajaš iz Francije? Where do you come from France? Yeah.
Denmark.
Oh. No.
I was born French, but I'm not so French anymore.
So you're just French? Not from France?
Exactly. I'm European.
No.
The real one.
Oh, nice, nice. Are you a professional player or just for hobby or what?
I don't know.
Or a
how
musician?
I'm living of it, you see.
Yeah. Can you?
I not only do this, but when it's sunny like this, it's a nice place to practice.
Otherwise, you're playing just Ljubljana or somewhere else?
Music is not my main habit. It's I do video puppets.
Oh, nice. What's that style of music that you play? It's a little bit artistic.
It's me practicing scales.
Uh-huh.
But don't tell other people.
Okay, I won't. But is it like in mood that you are now, you're playing that kind of a music? Yeah. So it depends. If it's sunny, it's like this. If it's raining...
If it's 2 degrees, then it's much more like... You should have come 1 month earlier.
Okay, thank you, Sebastian.
Prosim.